Forget the oven. If you're craving that perfectly spiced carrot cake flavor, but in a creamy chilled cheesecake pie, you have to try this. It's the ultimate small batch dessert that actually tastes like the real deal.
Welcome back to Baker Affair. I'm Pika, and today we're making mini no-bake carrot cake cheesecake pies. This recipe makes exactly 2 servings. So it's perfectly proportioned and, as always, not too sweet. So let's get started. I'm going to take 3 ounces of cream cheese and I'm going to cream it in a bowl. Maybe you want to come down and see. And then after that, I'm going to add some vanilla. Do you love vanilla? I love vanilla. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. I just spilt it everywhere. Everywhere. That's what paper towels are for. And I'm also going to scrape down the sides. I'm going to add the cinnamon and the powdered sugar. Do you love carrot cake as much as I do? Because if you do, this recipe is going to be really delicious. And let me know below. Come back down. Okay, so the whipped cream was not really whipped. It was more watery because I left it on a counter and it became water. So I was hoping that by mixing it in with the cream cheese, it would work, and it did. So it looks good. So I'm going to continue on. After I'm done folding in the whipped cream, which wasn't really whipped. But just keep in mind, if you leave your whipped topping on the counter and it turns kind of liquidy, stick it in the freezer or the refrigerator and then try and get it in there because it'll work. I just did it. I'm going to add walnuts. I'm going to add chopped raisins and the carrots, which I cooked, and then I have dried them out on paper towels. And I'm going to stick them in there. And then I'm going to fold all that in here, and I'm going to stick them in these adorable little mini pie trays, which are perfect for 2. So if you know somebody, a loved one that loves carrot cake and you don't like it, you can always just make them for your sweetheart. I'm making mine for my sweetheart, and that way we don't have a whole bunch left over. Because, you know, when you're 2 people, it's hard to come up with things because you always have like a million things left over. Who wants that? Wow, this looks so good. Oh my goodness. It smells like fall. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. It's so delicious. Okay. And now I'm just going to spoon it into these little. Do you love carrot cake? Let me know below. Are you in love with carrot cake as much as I'm in love with carrot cake? Because I love carrot cake. I love it. Come back down and watch me fill these. So these are all done. And so these are all done. And they're going to be absolutely delicious. And I wish you could smell them. Perfect for 2. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. They're to set for 3 to 6 hours or overnight. As much as I hate to say it, it's probably going to be overnight because I have to go somewhere. But I'll be back tomorrow to let you know how they taste. Okay, so I'm back. And these little pies are so stinking cute. So how do they taste? Let me try. That is carrot cake in pie form. Oh, so good. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and until next Wednesday, ciao.